In my lab at IUP, we're trying to address the antibiotic resistance crisis. So we study an enzyme, alanine racemase, which is important to bacterial function. So by targeting this enzyme in a new way, we can hopefully develop a new antibiotic drug in the future. And what's scary is that by 2050, certain estimates say that more people will die from infections every year than from cancer. So this is a problem that's not being properly addressed right now. I remember thinking in high school that science was kind of dry and limiting, and you couldn't be creative with it, but that opinion changed a lot once I started working in the lab and reading and writing science articles, because you have a lot of freedom actually in how you're choosing to convey the science to the public and to your fellow scientists as well. So this January, I got to travel to Harvard and presented at the National Collegiate Research Conference, and there I talked about my data relating to this specific enzyme from a dangerous pathogen known as Enterococcus faecium. So when I presented there, I was able to get feedback from a lot of graduate students and professionals, and that was really helpful as it provided a new perspective on the research I'm doing. The principal researcher, Dr. Majumdar, has given me a lot of independence, which I think has really helped me grow as a scientist. If there's a tough critical thinking question, he doesn't tell me the answer right away. He's patient enough to let me figure it out myself. So I'm constantly being challenged to actually think as a scientist rather than just do the simple lab tasks. That's going to be super helpful in my future career, knowing how to think and interpret problems in the lab.